students, good morning to all. We are uploading the videos for enjoying JEE main crash course. This is also most applicable to useful to NEET exams also. So today I am going to take metallurgy. How metallurgy topic very easy to you, very access to you. You will be able to understand. Let me say one bit regarding metallurgy, which is not a carbonate ore, which is not a carbonate ore. One is A, bauxite, B, calamine, C, malachite, D, siderite. You see, this question carries formulas which was asked in JEE mains. If you are very vested in metallurgy topic, easily you can answer this topic. You see, bauxite is the chief ore of aluminium. Bauxite, aluminium. The form Al2O3 2H2. Bauxite formula. Calamine. This is nothing but zinc. ZnCO3. Calamine formula ZnCO3. Malachite. CuCO3. CuOH twice. Malachite. This is copper, belongs to copper. Siderite. Iron. This formula is FeCO3. You see, which is not a carbonate ore. Bauxite, there is no carbonate. Al2O3 2H2O. Bauxite is a oxide. Bauxite is the chief ore of aluminium. It is an oxide. So it is a oxide. Al2O3 2H2O. So there is no carbonate. Calamine is the ore of zinc. Formula ZnCO3. Here carbonate is there. ZnCO3 carbonate is there. Siderite. FeCO3. Carbonate is there. Malachite. CuCO3, CuOH twice. Here carbon. So among four, bauxite, calamine, malachite, siderite, this is belongs to aluminium ore. This is calamine, zinc, malachite, copper, siderite, iron. So which is not a carbonate ore? What is that? Bauxite is not a carbonate ore. JEE mains 4 marks 2020 class. So another important question is, so I think you are clear. Bauxite, aluminium, calamine, zinc, formula ZnCO3, malachite, CuCO3, CuOH, siderite, FeCO3. Another important bit is and then what I am telling is the formula of malachite. You see this one, JEE mains 4 marks question. This question was asked 2018-17 like malachite, CuCO3, CuOH twice. This is also Core of copper. Copper gland. Cu2s. Copper gland. What are the pores of copper? Copper glands. Cu2s. Copper pyrites. CuFeS2. Malachite. CuCO3 CuOH+. 4 marks question. 4 marks. JE. Previous paper question. JE previous question. Malachite. CuCO3 CuOH taken twice. Another important one. You simply see another question. This is copper pyrites. Copper pyrites. Pyrites. CuFeS2. What he has asked? In which ore copper and iron is present? In which ore copper and iron is present? What is this? In copper pyrites, we have a copper and iron. We have a copper and iron. So go for, if you observe the copper pyrites, we have a copper and iron. So copper pyrites contains two metals. One is copper, another is iron. Another important question is cryolite. Cryolite will add it to alumina. Most important question, fourth question is cryolite will add it to alumina. What is the formula of alumina? Al2O3 in electrolysis. So if you want to get alumina, if you want to get aluminium from alumina, we want to get aluminium. Aluminium is a ore. Aluminium is a metal. If you want to get aluminium is a metal which is most widely useful, which is most lighter element. The crops all belong to usually manufacturing helicopter, aeroplanes parts. Alumina to aluminium. What we have to use? Cryolite. Na3, you know the formula. Na3AlF6. Why you are going to add cryolite? While preparing aluminium during electrolysis process, we have to prepare aluminium from alumina. We have to prepare aluminium. We are adding cryolite. Why? This is a 2 marks question. At the same time, it was asked in JEE mains previous question. You kindly remember 2 points. One is to decrease the melting point of alumina. To decrease the melting point of alumina. After adding cryolite to this substance, after adding cryolite to alumina, what happened? The melting point of alumina will decrease. So, Madhuri point, decreasing of melting point of alumina. Second point, increasing the conductivity of alumina. You notice this point. Why cryolite is added to alumina? First point, to increase the conductivity of alumina. After adding cryolite, alumina will act as a good electrolyte. Alumina will act as a good electrolyte. At the same time, after adding cryolite to alumina, what happened? We have 2 points are there. We have 2 benefits. One is this cryolite will decrease the melting point of alumina. Second point will increase the conductivity of alumina. Decrease the melting point of alumina. Second point is increase the conductivity of alumina. Okay? Thank you. All the best. God bless.